For this question we need to do a few things. The first one is differentiate it, then find the equation of the tangent and the normal at the particular place where x equals -2. So start up here with the differentiating. To differentiate it, first we need to turn this into index form. Then we can use the chain rule. And tidy up a little bit. I can see that the 2 from the 2x will cancel out the half. Half of 2x is just x. Leaves me with the x. The negative index says on the bottom of a fraction. The fraction half says it's a square root. So this is my derivative. The next part of the question says find the equation of the tangent and the normal where x equals -2. So for the equation of a straight line I need two things. I need a point and I need the gradient. Well, for the point I have the x coordinate, I need to find the y. So I might do that first. For this I use my original function. It's a very common mistake to plug it into here. What we really want is the y coordinate. So my original function is square root of x squared minus 3. I evaluate that at point -2, and I get the square root of -2 squared is 4, minus 3 is the square root of 1, which is just 1. So my coordinate point is -2, 1. I also need to know the gradient at this point, so use my gradient function, that's here. The gradient function can tell me the gradient at any point of my original function. So I want to evaluate y dash at the same point. So I'm going to have -2 over the square root of -2 squared, which is 4, minus 3, -2 over 1, which is just -2. This is the gradient of the tangent. Now we have those two pieces of information. I can use to get the equation. My point was -2, 1. The gradient of the tangent is -2. Now you can use the point gradient formula, which is this formula here. It'll tell me the equation of the straight line that passes through this point with this gradient. It's a matter now of filling in all the pieces that we know. This 1 came from here. This 2 came from here. And this 2 came from here. Algebra now to tidy this up. Extend this right hand side. This becomes +2. I times it by the -2, I get -4. Bring the 1 over. -4 plus 1 is -3. This is the equation of the tangent at the point where x equals -2. We're also asked to find the equation of the normal. Now it will have the same point, which is -2, 1. But it will have a different gradient. gradient of the normal is the negative reciprocal of the tangent. Gradient of the tangent was -2. So the gradient of the normal is half. Point gradient formula again. This time using our new gradient of a half. Always take care of this negative. The minus becomes a plus. So 2 times a half, which is the same as a half of 2, which is just 1. Here we have +1 plus another one, it's +2. This is the equation of the normal.